We're in Tesco's. I can't believe this. The humidity is 33. Anything below 40 crystallises the moisture content in the air.
This level of humidity causes the dissolved salts to spontaneously crystallise out, since the aerosols are forced to release even more water to the dry air.
There's nowhere in Tesco where it's above 40.
Once crystallised out, the salts are no longer harmful to viruses. On the contrary, they help them to stay active and infectious for longer.
Passing the cereals, gone up to 35. There is nowhere in Tesco where it's at the correct temperature. This is very bad. Don't forget 40 is the minimum for not helping the virus. There we go. The only place it's okay is in the newspaper section. But even that's not brilliant. Well, now I'm walking along the meat aisle. It's on 30. Going out 31, going up 31. Just coming away from the meat aisle, it's on 31 now.
If these dry aerosols are then breathed in, the abundance of moisture in the respiratory tract dissolves the crystalline salts by water absorption.
So I'm now out now, come outside. And it's on 42, so it's very hard to catch the virus droplets in this atmosphere, 43. So there you have it, Tesco Sheerness is a very sick building and it's a super spreader. Right, I'm now in the co-op, my local co-op, right? I'm 48, which is good, very, very, very good, excellent. Now at the wines. Put it there. Buy the crisps and that. Steady 47, that's good. 46.